Hello, my name is Paula, and just 2 days ago I saw an unboxing on another YouTube channel and I just had to have it. It was the box of the AIA Awards. Wonder what that is? Wonder what's in my box? Keep watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and give me a big thumbs up. I have been venturing out and doing my makeup while I've been home on quarantine. I've just now, within the past year or so, gotten more into skincare and into makeup. It's never been that big of a deal to me before. I've liked it and I've always enjoyed it, but here lately I've been wanting to really venture out to it and try new things. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos over unboxings. I was watching one the other day and I just had to have this box, and it came today. I just saw it on Wednesday. I ordered it on Wednesday, and this is Friday. Talk about great customer service. It came FedEx, and I'm fixing to take it out of that FedEx packaging, and we're going to see exactly what it looks like. It is heavy. I know what's in it, so I know why it's so heavy. Look at this pretty packaging. Pretty in pink. American Influencer Beauty Bundle. Isn't that pretty? Each month, from what I understand, a different influencer curates the box, and nearly all of the stuff, if not all of it in here, is from that curator. So let's see what's in this box for April 2020. Here we go. Let's open it up. And when you open it, in the top here, it says, "Be strong, be beautiful, be you." That's great. Aiabeautybundle.com. And it has a paper in here. And this is my identity with Guy Tang. And the box today was curated by Guy Tang. And I already know it's all hair care products, which may not be your cup of tea. You may not want hair care products, and it's not going to be hair care products all the time, because I've watched some of the past boxes and they're not all hair care products. But I have hair that needs help. I color it. I don't always get it cut like it needs to get cut, and I need to start working on that. I also start getting gray right here. You can start telling where it's getting lighter in my coloring. But I also have thyroid trouble and take thyroid medicine. And because of this, it makes my hair a little bit tricky. When I comb it or I wash my hair, hair comes out. And I've noticed that with certain products, it helps that, and it keeps my hair from doing that. So I'm really anxious to try this to see if this is going to help with that part of my hair care. So there are 4 things in here, but one of them has 2. So there's actually 5 full-sized items in here. Let's see. The first one is my spotlight. Look at how pretty that color is. It's swirling in there. That would be a calming thing to watch. Oh, look at that. Very good. Okay, my spotlight. Rose Gold Shimmer Spray. Spray Brilliant something rose. I'm having a hard time reading today. Adds dimensional rose gold shimmer. Detangling and soothing. Improves manageability and adds shine. So I wonder when in your hair care do you use this. Mist over dry hair for a tinted shimmer that increases moisture and tames flyaway. So anytime your hair is dry and you want to add moisture and keep flyaway. Okay, I'm going to open it. Smells good. Okay, let's see. Ooh, I do like how it smells. Add that in there. I don't know if you can tell. Ooh, I don't know if you can tell, but I am loving the smell of it. It smells good. Okay, so that is my spotlight. It smells good in here now. Ooh, okay. So the next one is my Hair Lube. My Hair Lube. And you can see that's Guy Tang's picture behind there. Ooh, excuse my nails. Can't get to the hair salon. Can't get to the nail salon, so I've been doing my own. They don't look too good. Okay, my Hair Lube. Reduces breakage by 98%. Oh, yeah. If this reduces breakage by that much, sign me up. I may have to get a gallon of it. Contains controls frizz and flyaways, improves shine, manageability, and smoothness. Okay, let's see when it says that you're supposed to be putting this on. Apply 1 to 2 pumps on towel dried hair from mid-lengths to ends for added shine and vibrancy. Vibrancy? How do you say that word? I don't know. Apply to dry hair. So you can either apply it to towel dry hair or to dry hair. And it says to apply it from here down, so it may be a little bit greasier, and it doesn't want you to get it up in your roots. And so that's a lube. You would think it would be a little greasy, I guess. So there's my Hair Lube. Oh, and I didn't tell you, this was $28. And this one is $32. The box is $34.99. I had a discount code from the YouTube that I saw it from, so I got it a little bit cheaper. But if you think even $34.99, these two has already gone above that, and they're full-size products. Okay, so the next one is my quick blow spray. Protecting quick dry spray protector, reduces blow dry time. Oh, that'll be good when we finally get back to normal and we have places to go. I don't know, right now I don't have more to worry about blow dry time. Protects against heat damage and breakage, which that is a good thing because I have been letting my hair kind of rest a little bit more during this quarantine time and not doing it every day with heat. Adds shine and reduces fridge. Am I hungry? And reduces frizz. So this is the protecting quick dry spray, and it is $28. And let's see, I guess you're supposed to do it probably right before you blow dry it, huh? Shake well, spray evenly through damp hair for a quick blow dry and softening effect on the hair. Okay, the next, there's one item, but there's two of it. And remember, all of these are full size. This is the My Confident Shampoo. There's his face again. My Confident Shampoo. Color Securing Shampoo. Oh, I like that. I wonder if that means, let's read and see if that means that it's going to keep the color in place, because I do color my hair. It says, prolongs color tone. Yes. And there's that word again, vibrancy, I don't know, up to 50 shampoos, sulfates, parabens, and sodium chloride free, detangling and adds shine. Okay. Oh, one is a shampoo and one is a conditioner. There's not two. Of course, you would want a shampoo and a conditioner, wouldn't you? So this is the shampoo, and it is $22.50. And here is the conditioner, and it is also $22.50. Okay, now that makes sense. Yes, a shampoo and a conditioner. Of course, that's what you would want. You would want both. Well, the bling, blows my mind. Okay, so you get the shampoo and the and the conditioner. These are $22.50 each. You get the My Quick Blow Spray, which was $28. Then you get the Hair Lube, which is $32. And the Rose Gold Shimmer Spray, which was $28. And let me tell you, it is smelling good. And if they all smell like this, that's going to be some good smelling hair. And they do. Yeah, we're going to have some good smelling hair. Oh yeah. Yes. Good smelling hair. So, I received 5 full-sized products for $34.99, and this has a total of, I'll figure it out and I'll put it right here, or right here. I am very excited about these things. I knew what was coming in them. That's why I subscribed to it. I'm anxious to try these to see what they do to my hair and how they help it out, and I will let you know. What kind of hair do you have? Do you have frizzy hair? Do you have oily hair? Do you have dry hair? Drop a comment below. From what I understand, all of the hair types can use this. It's not just for one type of hair. Any of them can use it. If you're interested in the AIA Beauty box, I will also link the website to that in my description box below. If you liked what you saw and you want to see more, give me a thumbs up. I am going to be doing some more unboxings because I have some more things coming. I think I'll also do some makeup videos because I'm still pretty new to a lot of the techniques, and I'm taking them on and learning. So you may be learning too. Where are you in your makeup journey? Are you a pro? Are you a beginner like me? Or are you somewhere in between? Let me know. It'll be kind of neat to see who all's here. I've been watching a lot of videos, so I'm anxious to get to try some of the techniques that I've been learning. And maybe you can learn along with me. Thanks for watching during these crazy time in our life. I hope everyone is staying home and staying safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.